Phil, look. I've had it up to here with you.
Relative to what?
What?
Up to here relative to what? The floor? Sea level? The distance from here to the sun?
Look, I feel like we've gotten off on the wrong foot here.
Now, which foot is the right foot? Which one's the wrong foot? Is it the left foot or the right foot? Which foot? Your foot? My foot?
Look, I'm sorry, okay? Jeez. This is getting out of hand.
Whose hand? My hand?
Look, man, simmer down.
Are you implying that I am above 98.5 degrees because that's the normal body temperature? And I don't think that's really considered a simmering level. I would consider simmering to be about, 150 degrees, something that, simmers a little bit.
All right, this is beyond my grasp here.
But I'm right here. You can grab me. Grab me.
Oh, my God, no. Stop it. Stop it.
You just tore my arm off.
Oh, my God. What have I done? Let's give him a hand!